Hey, Magribhi. It's been a while since. But anyways, I'm back. I'm back in Canada, you know what I mean? I was in Zimbabwe for 3.5 months since November 26th until March the 10th. I was in Zimbabwe. But anyways, nyaya iripo ndeyekuti all the insults I get, let's say on a one video, if that's gonna put food on your table, and if you insult me, hey, where am I to stop your hustle, man? Keep going, keep grinding, you get me? Because in nditori hustling yakatoipa zvanenge nchiita mugeto kana kuti mumbari mainterview andoita yai nechitaura zvandoda inini noti zvaunoda iwewe handiti. So kana ndiri wrong, yeah, you can comment. It's an open market. That's why it's called the World Wide Web. www. You can comment and you say whatever you feel like. Apana nomisa mumwe. I've been insulted left, right and center. But hey, if you cannot say it in my face, it's all good. Apana zvandokwanisa kuita. Because I put myself in that position yekuti ndogona kutukwa, ndogona kufarirwa, ndogona kudenwa, ndogona kana even kana kurohwa. But hapana zvinoitika izvozvo ndakaita sei? Ndakaisa maoko momwe. If you comment and insult me wakandituka pa Facebook or pa YouTube, I don't care. You can even say more about me, my comments, because hey, I'm a socialite, right? I'm an extraordinary man. I did extraordinary things. Mopenyu wangu. Most of the things that I do is sometimes it's about entertainment. But kana usikaoneka entertainment karipo, if you take it serious, unofa une godo eyes mwangu. Ipapa ndipo kunyebera. Interview inenge chida kuita dig deep. I'm not a professional. That's first thing you should know. I'm not a professional journalist. I do things out of my own time. I'm not a sponsored journalist or a sponsored channel. No one sponsors Ghetto Crown King to do what we do. Ghetto Crown King is not Mad Minox alone. It's a team of people. Some of them stay, some of them go. Pane vanouya vachienda kozouya varipo for a while, and some of them might be there until eternity, I don't know. But I cannot be everywhere. Some people just come in 3-4 videos vanobva vaenda. You know, munhu unondibvunza kuti ndingari akatoenda kuSouth Africa sha. For example, Luke is in South Africa right now, trying to hustle for his kids. He's got 5 boys. So there's no way I can interview Luke with Kambozoma. Here I was South Africa and I was in Zimbabwe. There's people that I cross paths with, you know what I mean? Those are what I call practically enemies. I cannot deal with them and glorify the downfall of Mad Minox or my family. That's one thing you should know. Kana munhu achifunga kuti akapenga anoita zvaanoda, handitaurire munhu kuti tamba naningi. That's the first thing. Iwe wakatamba ne-enemy, uri munhu wandiroti my associate or my friend, practically you become an enemy. I'll start walk away from you slowly but surely with caution. Sometimes you see me ndichita slide shedzerera zvangu sokuona kuti haona kamunhu ari kumwa neenemy, sharing his card neenemy. Who am I to say kuti usanwi naningi? The mouth is yours. If you're chilling with an enemy, the body is yours. The mind is a terrible thing to waste. Haungati kubva kutaura neenemy then you come and talk to me. I'll keep quiet. Silence is golden. I have nothing to say to you. Because sometimes kuda kutonditepa kuti udzokere uye achakubvunza kuti koma blango vanga vachiti chii after ndakuona muchinwa mese wavo. You know, mari ndeyako kana kuti mari ndeyake hazvineinenizvo. But I don't deal with people that I consider enemies. Straight up. Serious thing, you know. I'm still under jet lag. Saka msanyanya kukwata stereka ize. Ndichirimo muningi. Ndetaana 2-3 weeks ndiri jet lag. Because my manje ne chirwere chiriko chakana kushanda kwacho hapana kubasa kunoenda kupi. I haven't been working for like almost 2 years. So my manje, if you comment again and you insult me, and that puts food on your table, hey, who am I to stop your grind? Keep hustling, keep insulting Mad Minox. I'm good. Because I'm going to tell you kudya chikafu chidituka chinonyadzisira macomments pa YouTube, pa Facebook, idya chikafu chamani. You know, you might be, you can say I'm rude. I came from reggae music, rude boy style, a bad boy. Certain things we say, it might sound different to you, but to us it's normal. You get me? And ndinakuuya muzimdancehall. Vanhu vese vanotaurwa vese vanonzi hai vakaunza reggae music vakasvika tiriko tisi takatanga kuinzwa reggae. Ask anybody in reggae music who are the original bad boys or ragamuffins of reggae music in Zimbabwe. It's the Ninja Posse. Minox, Costello, you know, Lee's Way Sharks, Ninja George, Jabata, you name it, it's countless. The original road boys. Very reggae music in Zimbabwe. Tiso. A ninja. Coming from the great ninja man, you know what I mean? From Jamaica, the lyricist. There's only one ninja. We're the ninja man Posse. And they did. Posse came out New York City, you know what I mean? Out of the shower Posse. You know what I mean? And concocted a song called Posse, and that's how that word come up with. Posse, that means a group of people, you know what I mean? When my hip hop artists, they used to call themselves troop, and what a troop is just a group of baboons. A posse is a group of people that are bad. So keep commenting, and I like your style. It encourages me to move forward, and I learn and I listen, you know what I mean? But it encourages me to do better. When I'm wrong, sometimes they say I'm right. When I'm right, sometimes they say I'm wrong. They are fly-by-night people vanongoya once in a blue on our video, yeah, comment and look the other way and go on. But anyways, while out here, I'm back in Canada, get me? Serious thing. Chataka kunongera itu tunanaka. Wala. Bless up.